I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use stopwatch laps on your iPhone so that you can keep track of subsequent events. So first, we're going to find our stopwatch by opening our clock app. Now, on the bottom row, you'll see the stopwatch option right there. You'll make sure to be in that. You also have world clock, alarms, and timers, but we'll click stopwatch. Now, let's say we're timing someone swimming laps. We are going to click start, and once they finish that lap, we want to know their per lap time. We're going to click lap right there on the left, and as you can see, it will show lap 1 and it will record that time and keep it there for you. You can also do this for when you're working out. If you are holding a plank for 60 seconds and then you want to do 60 seconds off, you can click lap, wait for the next 60 seconds to go by, and then lap again when you start up again. And now you know how to use the lap feature on your iPhone stopwatch. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.